up the chicken man in Philly last night. Now blew up his house too. Down on the boardwalk, they're getting ready for a fight. Gonna see what the record boys can do. Now there's trouble busting in from out of state, and the DA can get no relief. Gonna be a ramble out on the promenade, and the gambling commissioner's hanging on the skin of his